used to draw the shape.
So according to the figure that in front of you, we have the height 3, the width 6, the length, okay, 3. So here in front of you, 3, 6, 5, length and width and height, 3, 5, 6, length and width and the height. And this is the 6 faces. We need today to find the area of the 6 faces. How we find the area of the 6 faces?
Teacher, we count each thing, teacher.
This is a rectangle prism, you know what? How many faces here?
Here 6. Rectangular or square or cube, it's always 6.
Yes, we have 6 faces. To find the total area, the total surface area, so we need to find the area for the 6 faces that in front of you. We need to find the 6 faces. So we can find the area for each face. We can find the area for each face, then we add them together. But we have a tricky point here. Look here in this shape. What do you think? We have 2 shapes are equal. Can you see this green shape, green faces?
Yes, the greens are equal to each other, the pink are equal to each other, and the white are equal to each other.
Yes, so we have here 6 faces. Some of these faces are equal to each other. So we can find just 3 of them, then we add them together. This one, this shape, and this shape, these 2 faces. We can find their area, then add them. And these 2 shapes, or 2 faces, or 2 rectangles, we add them, then add together. So we can find the area for each opposite faces, then we add them together. So we can say the surface area, we can say that length multiply width for the first shape and multiplied by 2 because it's 2 shapes.
Yes.
Okay. And also we can complete it by add 2 of the other faces by saying length times height.
Plus width times height, yes, because we finished the width. Now 2 times width times height.
So this is the rule for the surface area of the rectangular prism.